All right, big news coming on India Today. The NDA will likely announce the vice president candidate pick for the NDA on 12th August. So in the next 4 days, stay tuned. Our sources are telling us that JP Nadda, who's of course the party chief but also leader of House in the Rajya Sabha, and Prime Minister will pick the NDA vice president face. So the party appears to have given them a unanimous choice and the free will to decide on that NDA pick. Who is it going to be? There are, of course, several front-runners, guesses, but when it comes to the Bharatiya Janata Party or even the NDA, we know that usually it's not the guess or the speculation, but a surprise pick. Aishwarya Paliwal joins me for the latest on that. Aishwarya, so it looks like that now the name would be decided, at least for the NDA. The JP Nadda and Prime Minister Modi will take that pick, but I wonder who is it going to be?
At the moment, this is something, the names, let's not get into speculation of names, but from what we understand, one thing is very, very clear. It's the fact that they have made sure that both the Prime Minister and JP Nadda at the moment have been given the response, making sure on behalf of the entire NDA, and they are the ones who will choose the candidate. The NDA has made sure that they give full support.
The NDA pick, but the elections will take a few weeks to come. So do you think there's the name possibly has been decided already? Is there going to be deliberation on this? Because the party appears to have said it's going to be final decision by the Prime Minister and JP Nadda.
Big statements coming in from the NDA. Very, very clearly they are saying at the moment that they are the ones who will be deciding. But yes, one thing which has been done in today's meeting, and this is very crucial and very important to note, is the fact that they have said that they all need to be on the same page. So voting that happens, that voting has to be very, very clear, very, very precise. Everyone needs to know for who they are voting. So those are the minor details that have today been ironed out. Pooja, we will get the name from what we are understanding by the 12th of August, and then we will see the nomination process being done. The last day of filing the nomination is on the 21st of August. The last day when people can take back the nomination is on the 22nd of August.
Right, Aishwarya will be tracking all the latest on that. Who is it that's going to be picked by the Prime Minister and JP Nadda for the NDA Vice President pick? And of course, there will be then elections that follow. But remember, the NDA has the number in the Rajya Sabha and as much, of course, in the Lok Sabha. But this is going to be a very crucial decision after the kind of sudden resignation that came in from Jagdeep Dhankar. So we'll be tracking more on that. 12th August, NDA's pick.